How to use CamScanner to scan documents. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily use CamScanner to scan your documents. But before we do that, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. So let's jump right in. First thing first, open up your Google Play Store, tap on the search bar right at the bottom, and then from here, you are going to search for CamScanner. And once you search for CamScanner, just download the application. I already have this application installed, so I'm just going to enable it and update it. And once you do that, you can just go ahead and open up the app. So I'm just going to go ahead and search for CamScanner here. Once you open up the application, you will have an option to click a picture of your document. So click on this camera icon right here at the bottom. So go ahead and tap on it. So from here, just tap on the camera icon at the bottom right. And after this, you are going to have to position the camera so it views your document. So lift up your camera and then just click a picture. Click the picture, you can just click on this motion. And from here, you should be able to crop out the document. It will automatically crop it out, but if you want to adjust it, you could just adjust the document like so. It will crop out automatically, so just tap on done. And once you have done that, you could choose the magic color option to enhance the texts. And once that is done, you can just tap on OK like so, and then you can share it. Tap on the three lines at the top right and then click on Save to Gallery, or if you want to share it as a PDF, you could do that as well. So that's how you scan documents on CamScanner. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.